There are two ways to reset GL.iNet routers. The first method is to use the reset button on all of our routers. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds, then release to reset the router to factory settings. The second method is by going to the admin panel on your browser at 192.168.8.1 and click on More Settings, Reset Firmware, and delete all and reboot. The following is a demo of using the reset button for our products. You can skip forward or click on the video timestamp that has your device in the description. If you have any further questions, please email us at support@gl.inet.biz.